Today, guys, we're doing, seeing if my little brother Jackson can do a backflip. So, we're just gonna have a look and, who's that? I wasn't using clickbait. I said, lying piece of shit, fucking get you good for that, fucking. Now that's over, let's get into the video. Jackson, I believe you can do it.
Jump over the fence?
Nah, backflip with that trampoline. Okay, Jackson, I believe in you. You can do it. Oh, he does it! Oh, but he stuffs up.
Oh, not doing that again.
Jackson, are you alright? Young boy, are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'd like to give a shout out to Jacob. Thanks for subscribing to me. And from now on, just comment if you're a new subscriber, and I'll put you I'll pick one of you. So it'll probably only be like one of you, so it'll be like one person. And I'll put that person on my YouTube video, and I'll say thanks at the end of every one of my YouTube videos. So thanks, guys, and Lino out.